Welcome to this week's Pass the FE Exam video. In this episode, I will be exploring the topic of group studying for the FE exam and whether it is beneficial or not. Studying for the FE exam is a crucial step in an engineer's journey, and finding the most effective study methods is essential for success. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975. PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the FE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for FE exam prep. Let's dive in. Group studying for the FE exam can offer several advantages. It provides an opportunity for students to collaborate, share knowledge, and tackle challenging problems together. By working in a group, students can learn from each other's experiences and perspectives, which can enhance their understanding of the exam topics as well as their performance. Now, another benefit of group studying is that it helps students stay motivated and accountable, which is not easy to do. When studying as a group, individuals are more likely to remain focused and committed to their study goals because they don't want to let their fellow group members down. Believe me, this works. And this shared sense of purpose can really create a super supportive environment that encourages active engagement and consistent progress studying for that exam, which is not an easy task. However, it is important to note that group studying may not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals may find it distracting or prefer studying alone, allowing them to create a more personalized study environment that maximizes their skill sets as well as their preferences. Now, to determine whether group studying is the right approach for you, it is recommended to try both individual and group studying methods. Assess your learning style and preferences to really identify what works best for you. Remember, the ultimate goal is to find a study method that optimizes your understanding of the exam content and prepares you effectively to pass the FE exam. Let's look at some of the advantages of studying alone versus group studying. Studying alone offers some very unique advantages. By studying alone, you can minimize distractions and create that personalized study environment that's specifically tailored to your preferences. Additionally, studying alone allows you to focus on specific areas that you need to work on, providing a targeted approach to your exam preparation. Now, on the other hand, group studying has its own set of benefits. When you're studying in a group, individuals are less likely to procrastinate, which most people do, as they are accountable to their study partners. Furthermore, the act of explaining concepts and discussing them with others in the group really enhances retention and can deepen your understanding of a certain topic. Another advantage of group studying is gaining new insights and perspectives, right? Different group members may bring unique viewpoints, maybe different explanations and strategies that can really help to clarify difficult concepts and solidify your understanding of the material on the FE exam. Now, according to a study conducted by R. Keith Sawyer, PhD, from Washington University, group studying has been shown to be more effective in absorbing lecture notes and making them one's own. The collaborative nature of study groups allows students to actively engage with the material, resulting in better retention and comprehension. In conclusion, group studying for the FE exam can be a valuable tool for those who benefit from collaborative learning and a lot of support. It offers opportunities for knowledge sharing, motivation, and gaining new insights. However, it is important to consider personal preferences and ensure that group studying sessions always remain focused and productive, which Again, you got to keep an eye on that. Now, by finding the right balance between individual and group studying methods, you can create an effective study routine that really maximizes your chances of success on the FE exam. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, we will answer more of your FE exam questions and run through more practice problems. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button as you'll get expert tips and tricks, including practice problem solutions weekly to ensure that you pass the FE exam. And please, I encourage you to ask questions in the comments that I will read and respond to in future videos. Maybe there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover, or a question that you need answered. We'll pass the FE exam. We'll have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the FE exam.